Red lights everywhere because red lights. Right there. There. Low air, low pressure. Must be addressed. It's everywhere. Red lights. That's a TM3 over there. There's the mills over there. Vf4, VF6. Yeah, that's the TM2 and the TM3. My machine. Devin's machine. It's Chris is breaking. It's lunchtime actually. I was just acknowledging this crazy stuff happening. This is what happens when stuff like that happens. Looks like we got a little heat problem here. We're all tied up here. Unless we have a fan on there. He's so lucky. He doesn't even know it. The fool. First look at the back of this man's neck. Yeah. Now look at that. Where's that from, Dev?
Taco truck.
Nice.
It's my leftover dinner. It's my poor man's lunch.
He looks sad about it, but it looks phenomenal.
It's good. It's gonna be enough.
Cactus one. He's in a serious time right now. So earlier there was a power outage. Not a power outage, the air pressure was low. So MJB came through with this bad boy right here, air compressor on wheels, got the shop rolling. So we are running our shop on the MJB welding supply air compressor. Pretty awesome.